Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different from the other non-sponsored product reviews. I'm here to share my lip care routine which I've been using for months now and I do see significant results. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. In recent times, we all have started to take skincare seriously. I do see most of us actively investing our time and money in a good skincare routine and good skincare products. But quite often, we don't realize that our lips also require the same amount of care and pampering. This is something I noticed a few months ago when I realized my lips started losing moisture and they were getting dry. And this has never happened to me. It may be either due to harsh weather or constant weather changes or whatever reason it may be, but it does give way to the fact that there is a need for a lip care routine and we need to give that care. Previously, a lip balm and a lipstick is all that I used for my lips and I never thought beyond that. I never realized it would need something that could exfoliate it, moisturize it and keep it soft. When I started looking for tips and products online, I put together a small lip care routine for myself. Now this is not something extravagant and it is budget friendly. You just need 2-3 products and you are good to go. Please note that all the products that I'll show here are not sponsored and it is a tried and tested review. Now I've been doing this routine for months. I either do it once a week or once in every 2 weeks. The beauty about skincare and in this case lip care is that you can adjust the frequency based on your skin's requirement. So on days or weeks when you feel that your lip is dry and losing moisture, you do it every week, and when you feel you don't need it, you can just do it once a month also and that will be fine. The first step that falls in my lip care routine is using a lip exfoliating scrub, for which I use Dot & Key's Lip Polish Sugar Scrub. This one is very moisturizing and has an amazing fragrance. All you have to do is use a dime size of this product, gently rub it through your lips, rinse it and wipe off the remains. A lip scrub, or any scrub for that matter, is an excellent way to get rid of dead skin cells. It gives you a clean canvas to move to the next step of your care routine. I have a detailed review live of this product on my channel, a non-sponsored one. In case you've missed it, I'll place a link here on screen and in the description box you can check it out. On that, I've discussed about how to use this product, its benefits and the cost as well. If I'm using the lip scrub during the day, I follow it up with a good lip balm. Few lip balms that I'm hooked onto is the Hyphen's Vitamin Infused Peptide Lip Balm. I use it in both Hazel and Vintage. Absolutely amazing products. Other than that, I also use this lip balm from Nykaa. I've used it so much that everything is wiped off, but I'll definitely search for it and link it in the description box for you. This one is very moisturizing and I use it multiple times in a day. I also have a detailed review on Hyphen's lip balm in Hazel. In case you've missed that video as well, I'll place a link here on screen and in the description box you can check it out. It is not necessary that you have to use a lip balm only after a lip scrub. A lip balm should definitely be one of the essentials that you carry in your handbag, especially considering the harsh weather and dry weather that we live in. Another amazing product which forms a part of your night lip care routine is this fabulous lip sleeping mask from Laneige. It's in Berry. I use this every single night and absolutely love this product. If you do your lip care in the PM routine, you follow it up with a lip sleeping mask rather than a lip balm. I use this even on days when I don't do my skincare routine. So this is a part of my everyday essential in the night. You have to use this product overnight and in the morning you can gently rub the remains off. This product is super lightweight and it really helps with dry and chapped lips, and it also softens the look and feel of your lips. And by soft, I mean really soft, because I do see significant results. I've shared a detailed review of this product as well, and in case you've missed it, I'll place a link here on screen and in the description box you can check it out. Again, in that video, as always, I've discussed its benefits, its cost, how to use it, everything that you need. In addition to this, I also have a morning and night skincare routine video live on my channel in which I've simplified the steps for you. If you've missed those videos, I'll place a link here on screen and in the description box you can check it out. And that's it. Like I mentioned, you just need 2-3 products to give your lips the attention and care it requires. Please note, all these products and their reviews are non-sponsored and are tried and tested. However, if you are a first-time user of any of the products or any brand altogether, a patch test is always recommended. In case you're looking to buy these products, you can always grab it at additional discounts from Amazon and Nykaa. I'll place their links in the description box for your easy access. If you've tried or do end up trying any of these products, drop in the comments below on your experience with it. And if you've watched this far and still haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. I have a lot more non-sponsored videos coming your way, so do hit the bell icon to be updated every time I post a video. Well, that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. You'll see me in my next one. Happy lip care.